If you want me to run up on the roof, just let me know. I'll go look.
Yeah, we'll get a ladder up there and see what's going on. But what I want to do first is I want to do just a quick.
You do whatever. Yeah.
I want to do a quick heat exchanger inspection on it just to make sure I'm going in the right direction.
Do whatever you want to do. Tell me to shut up. Tell me to shut up.
And also, sometimes we run into a problem with the orifice gets plugged here.
Looks to me like a funny flame coming out of there.
Well, yeah, it is. It's that flame is lifting off the burner, so it's not getting enough oxygen. So let's see if I'm plugged here first. Sometimes over the summer you get spiders in these orifices. And this one is clear.
Spiders in the
Yeah, right inside here.
Yeah.
Right inside there you get
I didn't
spiders.
play with anything with the fuel. I didn't.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I thought I had the fridge unplugged when I had electricity turned back on. The furnace was running wide open, but it wasn't blowing heat.
Yeah.
But the stinking freezer is just blowing like crazy. Carpet cleaner coming in, and I told him, well, you're gonna have to hang on till I get some heat in here.
Yeah.
And the painter.
That heat exchanger. Oh, I got water in the heat exchanger. No, that's strange. That's really strange. I got a feeling that thing's gonna be plugged up with a bird's nest. It's a little warm in there. No cracks. All right, let me get a ladder. Let's see, do I have? Maybe not a bird's nest, maybe a bee's nest.
Oh boy.
We're gonna find out.
Well, at least it's cold.
Yeah. Hopefully they're dormant. Well, let's see what's.
You want me to do anything? Just let me
No, I'm gonna snag the ladder off the truck and we're gonna get up there.
back it on.
Yeah, we're gonna get up there and see what's going on. So you'd start this thing up, and the flame lifts up off of the burner. And if you look, you probably can't see it from here. Oh man, that's a metal roof too. You probably can't see it from here, but it looks like there's some bird debris up there. So this might be a fun one. Might be a fun one, baby. And my crappy truck. So it kind of makes sense if that thing's burning. Creates moisture on the inside, you know, creating the condensate, or not condensate, but you're creating moisture from burning natural gas, and that's why that heat exchanger had water in it. So we are going to go up there and explore, because that's what's probably going on. There's probably something in there. You have to get the shop vac and all that good stuff. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. I'm looking forward to this metal roof. I'm looking forward to the metal roof. Hopefully I don't slide. No, she'll be okay. She's looking a little rusty crusty. Rusty crusty. I thought that was bird material, but that thing's rusted. Can you guys see? Are you guys still on? Yeah, you guys are still on. Let's see what presents we have. Oh yeah, she's a rusty one. Man, Steve Lava's here. She's a crusty one. Oh yeah, the roof jack shot. The roof jack is shot. And she's kind of plugged up at the top of the heat exchanger. And so what happens is this is like a concentric, a tube in a tube, and it pulls this air from down here and exhausts this air up here. So if it's compromised like that, what's happening is it's exhausting up and it's pulling that air straight back down, that exhaust air right there. Yeah, it's in bad shape. Bad shape. So not only does it need a new roof jack, it needs the top of that furnace cleaned out. That thing is just cake full of crap. So that's the problem with that. Plus the thing needs an inducer motor's sounding pretty rough. I don't even know what year furnace this is, honestly. Man, oh man, this thing is hit. Thing is hit. So there's nothing I can do for this one today. And it's a metal roof. Oh boy, this is going to be a challenge. Metal roofs are great, but man, I don't know. Don't know. Geez, because there's a flange under that flashing. It's almost like the whole roof has got to, you know, from here over the roof's got to come up plus the flashing. Well, that's crappy. That is certainly crappy. Well, let me get back down and talk to him and see what he wants to do. But that heat exchanger's solid. No cracks. Baffle's good. Ooh, yes. Ooh, scary. Well, that was Modular Home House. And as you can see, that roof jack or concentric vent was totally rusted out. So how that actually works is those modular home furnaces take, it's just one vent through the roof, and they take their outside fresh air through the outside and they exhaust through the inside tube, just like a concentric. That's basically what it is. We call it a roof jack. But when that darn thing is rusted out, that center is rusted out, it's pulling actual flue gas back in to be reburned, and the furnace doesn't like it. There's not enough oxygen to burn. The flame lifts off the burner and it extinguishes itself to where it won't run. And it comes up as, flame sensor issue. But it is not a flame sensor, and if you watch it carefully enough, you can see that flame just lift off and not work. Keep on doing it. So I think he's going to opt to get a new furnace, because that one's from 2003, kind of into the life expectancy. Need a new roof jack, but the only problem is it's got a metal roof. Trying to get that roof jack in there, probably what's going to happen is we're going to cut that one out, cut a bigger hole, slide a new roof jack in, and flash over the top of the metal roof. That's about all we can do, unless he wants to get his roofer involved, where we take up some of the roof, put the roof jack on, and he has his roofer come back. I don't know what he's going to want to do. So that is it for that one. Just to kind of give you a quick idea of diagnostics on that one. It just didn't have enough oxygen to burn. So I will see you on the next one.